Okay, so I was a little confused about where these rate laws were coming from. I know that we can use the data to figure out the rate laws, but you can also use calculus to figure out the rate laws. So let's assume that this curve has the general form of ax to the negative b. We know it's negative b because it's definitely an exponential decay curve, plus some constant c. So the tangent lines, the slopes of the tangent lines can be found by taking the derivative of this. So if you take the derivative, dx, of that equation, what we're going to get is negative b is going to come in front, and we will have ax negative b minus 1. Now, if we combine some of the terms together here, we're going to end up with a rate equation that looks like this. This together is going to become k, and this together is going to become n x. K to the xn is equal to the rate. Okay, so that's how we can take this curve and come up with this general rate law. I guess we would have different curves. If there were two reactants here, we're going to have two different curves depending on the different reactants, and then we're going to just combine them together into one big rate law. So that's how you're getting these general form equations. You do not need to be able to do this, but I thought some of you might be interested as to where it was coming from.